Hi, I'm Brenda Navin, a registered dietitian and founder of Launch My Health. And at Launch My Health, we're rethinking what a health benefit should actually do. Not just support people when they're sick, but help them stay well in the first place. Health doesn't change at the end of the line, it changes in the middle. In everyday decisions, especially around food. But most people were never taught what to eat or how to make it work in their real lives. And that's why we built Launch My Health, to turn food into a practical, powerful tool for better health. At Launch My Health, we offer streaming-style courses that teach real-life skills, not diets, not diagnoses. We take people from confusion to knowledge to understanding to action. Because when people know what to do, they actually do it. And employees can access everything on their time 24/7. Whether they're sitting at a desk, on the floor, out in the field, or on the go. And then there's Launch Live. This is where education meets energy, a reality TV-style experience that keeps people engaged, motivated, and connected. Because behavior change doesn't happen alone, it happens when people are inspired. And for those who want more, we offer private sessions with a registered dietitian for a deeper, more personalized support. And Launch My Health isn't another recipe database or a list of healthy tips. This is about real change. We drive both engagement and outcomes because when people change how they eat, everything else follows. And getting started is so simple. We don't require eligibility files and no complicated setup. We make it easy to launch, and we give you a full marketing toolkit to drive awareness and participation from day one. So you're not just offering a benefit, you're activating it. The future of health is already here, and it starts with food. Let's bring it to your employees.